How to screenshot a snap without them knowing. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to screenshot a snap of any of your friend without them knowing about you were screenshotting the snap, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You can find the Snapchat application by scrolling left or right or also by going to the search icon and searching Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, you can tap on Snapchat like this and then Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the chat like section, and after going to the chat like section, now you have to tap on the very person and you can also see the very snap that the person had sent. Now, in order to see or before seeing, what you have to make sure is that you have to make sure that you enable the flight mode on your very mobile device and then go to the option of tap to view. And after that, here you can press on the very screenshot option and screenshot it. And after you screenshot it on your very mobile device, the very snap will be screenshotted and the person would not know that you have screenshot the very snap. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.